let's see how the after and before. There is after and there is before. Today we're going to learn about motion blur effect. So it's so easy to work and easy to edit. So let's do it. So we have to first then open a picture this type and then copy this picture. I am pressing Ctrl J to copy this layer and go to filter and blur, and you have found many blur options. You have to choose the motion blur, so you have to hit click at the motion blur option, and when you open you find this type of value like this 8 or something. We're gonna increase this value. I'm just gonna increase 120 pixel. This is perfect for me. So then hit OK and found this type of picture. Don't worry. So we have to click this layer, and here you find some mask option. Just click here mask. Okay, then go to brush option. There is the brush option. Just click here and click this layer, and you have to know the you have to ensure that the foreground background is black. Okay, then I have to remove this blur from the subject. So then just print on it. We have to just big blur. Okay, it's fine. Okay, just print on it. Remove this when it's not needed. Just remove it. I'm doing this way. Just print. If you want to back this blur again, just press X and then you find the white background, so it's back to the blur. Look, I add this blur. I think yeah, it's perfect. So you can easily doing this type of motion blur effect in any kind of photo. So let's see how the after and before. There is after and there's before.